chastise me in your wrath. Do not punish me in your fury. Have mercy on me, Lord, for I am wretched. Heal me, for my limbs are stricken, and my life is heart-stricken. And you, oh Lord, how long? Come back, Lord, deliver my life. Rescue me for the sake of your kindness. For death holds no mention of you. In Sheol, who can acclaim you? I weary in my sighing, I make my bed swim every night with my tears. I water my cow. From vexation, my eye becomes dim. It is worn out because of all my faults. Turn from me, all you wrongdoers, for the Lord hears the sound of my weeping. The Lord hears my pleas. The Lord take my praise. Let all my enemies be shamed and heart-stricken. Let them turn back, be shamed in